Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly add a search bar to your Shopify store, as well as making sure that it always appears as visible. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that we need to do is we want to make sure that we're logged into our Shopify account or our store manager as an administrator. So as you guys can see, I have a dummy store set up right here. And from the dashboard, the idea is we want to go to the Shopify App Store. So you can do so by clicking on Add Apps, like so. And this will actually redirect you to the Shopify App Store when you click on this button right here. So you can either do that or click on the search bar and simply type the app that you want to look for, but let's do it the easy way. So I'm going to click on Shopify App Store, and it'll open up a new tab that'll take you to the store. And from here, if you guys don't see the plugin or the tool that you want to add to your store, you can simply click on the search bar and type down whatever. So in this case, I want to add a search bar to my Shopify store. So we're simply going to type search bar and choose the one that appears to be the most downloaded one. So I think this one is the best. So it has over 1,800 reviews, or I should say downloads. No, actually, I think these are reviews. So we're simply going to click on it, click install, let Shopify work its magic, and we're going to go with the free plan here, as we're just doing this for the video. So this will redirect you to this page where you basically authenticate it to integrate with your store. So we're going to click on that, wait for a bit, and you'll see that in a second right here, it's going to successfully install to our Shopify store. So here we are. We have the application installed, so that's cool. Now, the next thing that we want to do is we're going to go back to the home page. Let's actually leave this, refresh, just for good measure. And we're going to click on Online Store, like so. And it'll show you a drop-down menu where you get to configure the settings for your store. So from here, you want to click on Themes, and you'll be brought to this page where you get to customize your store. So I'm going to click on Customize, like so. And you'll be brought to the site builder for your store, which looks like this. And from here, you guys are going to click on theme settings. And then, actually this one is the wrong tab. I believe it was app embeds. So it's this one right here. And you're going to make sure that this is toggled as enabled. So when you guys enable this, that'll be cool. And now you want to go back to theme settings. And then you would want to click on search behavior. And you want to make sure that these both of these boxes are enabled. So that's show product vendor and show product price. And when you guys do this and hit save, you guys are done. You will successfully have added a search bar to your Shopify store using a third-party app. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.